Good morning, class. How are you all, lovely children of class 3? Once again, I welcome you all in my SST class. Children, as you all know that already we are discussing chapter 2 and this is the part 2 video of this chapter, how our earth looks. Okay? Already we had discussed some topics of this chapter, as for example globe, map, atlas, wall maps already we had discussed. Okay. Now in this class I am going to discuss with you all continents and oceans. Okay. This is our today's topic. Let's start the topic. We have learned that 71% of the earth is covered with water. Already children we had discussed in chapter 1 that 71% of the earth is covered with water. Okay. And remaining 29% is covered with land. Okay. So, children, the blue part on the globe shows the water bodies on the earth. The blue part on the globe shows the water bodies on the earth. Children, on the globe you can see the blue part which is water bodies on the surface of the earth. Okay, these water bodies are called oceans. What are these called, children? These water bodies are called oceans. Okay. The blue part on the globe shows water bodies which are called oceans. Okay. There are 5 oceans in the world. Children, how many oceans are there in the world? There are 5 oceans in the world. What are they? The Pacific Ocean, which is the largest ocean, first number. Second is Atlantic Ocean. Third is Indian Ocean. Fourth is the Southern Ocean, which is also known as Antarctic Ocean. Okay. And fifth one is the Arctic Ocean, which is the smallest ocean. Okay, students. So, I am repeating again. First largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. Second is Atlantic Ocean. Third is the Indian Ocean. Fourth is the Southern Ocean, which is also known as Antarctic Ocean. Fifth is the Arctic Ocean, which is the smallest ocean. Okay. Now, children, let's move to the other page, another page. Here you can see the world map. Okay. The blue part, here you can see the blue part are oceans and the brown part are continents. Okay. The remaining 29% of the earth is covered with land. Children, the remaining 29% of the earth is covered with land. The brown part on the globe shows the large areas of the land on earth. As you can see here. You can see here, okay. The brown part on the globe shows the large areas of land on the earth. Brown part shows what? Brown part shows large areas of land on the earth, on the surface of the earth, okay. They are called as continents. They are known as continents, okay. There are 7 continents on the earth, children. There are 7 continents on the earth. What are they? First is Asia, which is the largest continent. Second is Africa. Third is Europe. Fourth is North America. Fifth is South America. Sixth is Antarctica. 7 is Australia, which is the smallest continent. Okay, again I am repeating, children, the names of continent. There are 7 continents on the earth. What are they? First is Asia, which is the largest continent. Second is Africa. Third is Europe. Fourth is North America. Fifth is South America. Sixth is Antarctica. Seventh is Australia, which is the smallest one. Smallest continent of the world. Okay. Now children, come to the do you know section. India lies in India. India lies in Asia. Children, where India lies? In Asian continent. Okay. India lies in Asian continent. Here you can see. Where is our India? You can see here, children. Here is India in Asian continent. Okay. India lies in Asian continent. Okay, children. Now everyone come to the direction topic. Okay. Everyone come here. Direction topic we will discuss. All maps follow the 4 main directions. What are they, children? North, east, south and west. All maps follow the 4 main directions. Okay. You can see here, children. All maps follow the four main directions. What are they? North, east, south and west. Okay. Here you can see a picture of compass. Here you can see picture of compass. Okay. These directions are east, west, north and south. What are they, children? East, west, north and south. The top part of the map is north. The top part of the map is north. Okay. The bottom part is south. To the right is east and to the left is west. Okay. To the right is east and to the left is west. Top part is north and bottom part is south. Okay. On the map. Okay, children. These directions help to locate places on the map. Children, with the help of these directions, we could locate places on the map. Okay, we could locate any place on the map. Okay, with the help of these directions. North, east, south and west. Okay. The compass is like a watch. Here you can see compass. Why is it used, children? A compass is used to find directions. Okay, we use compass to find the directions. A compass is like a watch. Compass is like a watch. It has a needle. Children, it has also a needle which always points to the north direction. Compass needle always points to the north direction, children. Okay. The compass helps to know the direction on the map. The compass also helps to know the direction on the map. Okay. With the help of compass, we could identify the direction on the map. Okay. So children, this is all about chapter 2. We have completed chapter 2. Okay. In our next class, we will discuss objective question answer of this very chapter. Okay. That's all for today, children. Thanks for watching my video. Be safe at home. Bye-bye and thank you.